Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open Google Fit and sign in. You should see the home screen with your daily move targets. Once signed in, grant location, physical activity, and background activity permissions so steps are tracked continuously. If you plan to use a wearable, pair it first in Bluetooth settings and then allow Fit to read its sensor data. Set an initial daily step goal and check that the app lists your phone or watch under connected devices. This starts counting immediately. Tap the profile or settings to choose steps as the main stat and ensure continuous sampling is enabled. This optimizes battery vs accuracy trade-offs. Next, calibrate by confirming your height and weight in the profile so stride estimates improve. Make sure the phone is carried in a consistent place like a pocket. For watches, open their companion app, permit data sharing with Google Fit, and force a manual sync so the app receives accurate step counts from the wearable. Review the today and timeline views to confirm steps are updating. Use the weekly chart to spot gaps. If counts freeze, force a sync in settings, restart the phone, or reinstall Google Fit to restore background tracking. Make sure Fit has all permissions and is excluded from battery optimization or sleep restrictions because the OS can block sensor access. If problems persist, switch between phone and wearable as the primary sensor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.